Hi guys, my name is Amber Harris and I'm your marketing consultant. So previously I posted a video with 3 simple tips on how to market your small business. But in my industry, you know that behind every tip there are insights. And insights really explain why you are recommending something. So I wanted to post this video to really provide the insights behind those 3 simple tips. And if you find this content helpful and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep getting the latest marketing tips. So a little insight behind tip number 1. A common pitfall that I see with a lot of small business owners and entrepreneurs is that they have such exciting and aspirational ideas for the future of their business that they really haven't taken the time to lay down the foundational basics of what their business is and what they want it to do. So you'll have a conversation with them, and in them trying to explain what their business is, their response is so complex that you walk away from it not really having any clue what it is that they do. And obviously that's bad for business. If you can't explain what your business is, how do you think you're going to get people to invest in your business or buy your products? So really know what your business is and what you want it to do. So some insight behind tip number 2 is really you have to be able to differentiate, right? Just because you're a business owner, it's not expected that you're going to be an inventor. Not everyone is going to be inventing a new product or inventing a new service that has not seen the market before. Sometimes you are creating something that is out there and you're going to have competitors. That's completely fine. But what you really have to do is be able to carve out your own space. So you really need to know, what is it that makes my business unique, and how can I use that in my messaging to reach an audience that has not been reached before. And last but not least, some insights behind tip number 3 and knowing your audience is really about picking a lane and focusing in. Consumers are very smart. So what won't work is putting out mass communication that's really meant to speak to everyone and try to cast a very wide net and see what you catch. A lot of small business owners and entrepreneurs start out this way, but what you'll quickly notice is that your sales and your engagement will really plateau and start to dry out because consumers know when you're not talking directly to them. You need to identify who your audience is, know the type of things that they are looking for, searching for, how they like to be communicated with, and how they like to be engaged. And then you can really start to create those deeper connections and start to make sales. And with that, that's all I have for you right now. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel to get more marketing tips. Again, my name is Amber Harris. I'm your marketing consultant, and I'll see you around.